Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright. Today's topic is debugging Playwright scripts. In Playwright, debugging is very simple using two tools. One is PWDEBUG and other is slowMo. This helps you see what script is doing and fix failures fast. When automation fails, the most common problem is you don't know what happened on the screen. Playwright gives two easy debugging options. First is slowMo. SlowMo slows down every playwright action by a fixed delay. This is perfect when you want to visually observe clicks, typing, and navigation. Second is PWDEBUG. PWDEBUG opens Playwright Inspector and runs the script in debug mode. You can step through actions, pause, resume, and inspect the locators. Use SlowMo when you want a simple visual run. Use PWDEBUG when you want step-by-step debugging and the locator inspection. Here if you see I am using headless equal to false. Here we will write slowmo equal to some milliseconds of time so that we can see the visual difference. If I run, I am able to see the application. If I want to inspect the elements, I will say inspect and check what are the elements are there in the dev tools. This is one option. Okay. Now I will close the application. This is debugging using slowmo. The other is PWDEBUG. How we will run PWDEBUG in PowerShell? You try to first enter the environment PWDEBUG equal to 1. Press enter and then give the command .NET run. Then you will see the same application opening, but the difference is here you will get an inspector which will allow us to resume or through step over. If I step over, next statement will be executed. So I will say step over. If you see, it has been completed. Now what we will do is, if you see run completed, use slowmo to observe the actions. If I press enter, application is closed. So this is one option to debug and the other option is directly from the run button. These two options reduce debugging time massively. If a test fails, first try slowmo to visually understand the flow. If you can't identify the issue, use PWDEBUG. Inspect step by step. Slowmo for visibility when you want to see the screen, and PW is also visible on the screen, giving an extra option of inspecting the element if you want to go by step control.